Thank you for joining in, and for today's video I have another review. I actually haven't reviewed something in a little while here, but I have a new journal here from Baviva that I have been testing out for quite some time. I would say well over a month or two. And this is the packaging that it comes in. So I'm just going to read a little bit. The Baviva sketchbook, they're handmade sketchbooks. They do come in a few different sizes. This one is the square ivory. Let's see, it's 7.5 inches by 7.5 inches, 120 pound. And this one is hot pressed. The one I had last time was cold pressed, which is what I normally get. Acid free, and it has 64 pages. And there's a little information on the back. Faux leather, handmade, made with love, and it opens fully flat and vegan. Okay, so that was a little bit of information there. And the logo is on the front. Just plain black on the back, and then you have your closure here, which is nice. I always prefer an art journal with these little straps. And then I will show, as you can see, there it is, so that it will lay completely flat. And I'm going to go ahead here and show some artwork that I have created in this journal. And here I just wanted to show a comparison. I have my new square journal next to the older one that I purchased, just in case if anybody was questioning the size and just wondering. And I'm just sharing some of the watercolors that I used all throughout this journal. I used the Baviva watercolor sheets. I have the original and the spring set, as well as their newer pan sets. And if anybody was interested, I will have links for everything down below. Overall, I really do like this journal. It was a bit different for me. It took me a little bit while to get used to the hot pressed paper, but because I do normally use cold press, but I still did enjoy it, and it was nice to try out something a bit different. And that is it for today's quick review. I hope that you did enjoy it. And again, the links will be in the description down below. You can have 10% off your order with my links, and it doesn't include anything from the Inktober. And that is it. So be sure to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.